Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. After our adventure through Fujian and Guangdong provinces in southern China, we have returned home to Hebei province located in northeastern China, just surrounding the capital, Beijing. Today, we are giving you a full tour of our apartment in Huailai, Hebei province. Welcome to our home. Here is the first bathroom with a small balcony with a washing machine. Followed by the kitchen. The dining area. And the living area with a small balcony. And the first bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. When our friends are visiting us, this is their bedroom. And a little bit storage area. These all are on the first level. Now we go to second level. And we start with our bedroom with a king size bed. Our bathroom with a shower area. An office with my favorite monkey. And a balcony. With another storage area. And a beautiful view outside with a big lake. And you can see from here the dining area. And now we are going to the third floor. Where you have a big tatami, and also here you can play mahjong. It's like a rami, popular in China. We have an outside area with some furniture. Here we have a third bathroom. With a tub and a shower. And here our favorite area, a small balcony where you have a nice view. And this is our neighborhood here. And the best thing from here, you can see the lake, the beautiful lake, Arhai Lake. And is also a dam, so when the capital of Beijing needs water, they are taking from this area. Until next video, have a wonderful day wherever you are.